guys, I am Aya and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you my favorite natural masks for clear and glowing skin. These masks not only work wonders on your skin, but they also making your self-care routine even more enjoyable. So, let's get started. That's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed these natural masks for clear skin. Remember to take care of yourself and make self-care a priority. Let me know in the comments which one is your favorite, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more self-care and beauty content. Bye!